Hello everyone. So today I'm going to tell you how to add references in your Word file. If you're writing any research article, review article, so you need to add references in that file. So first of all, you need to open your EndNote. If you're going to add references with EndNote, so open your EndNote like here. I'm using trial version of EndNote, so it comes for 30 days. You can use it, and to do so, I already created one library. So to do referencing, you need to first create one library. Okay, so yeah, you can go to file and then click on new, and then you need to save your library file. You can save wherever you want. You can select your destination folder like here. I'm giving name new library. Okay, see, so now I've created a new library, and then next step is our to download the citation. Okay, so this was the content I was writing. So I got this content from this particular article, and I saved its DOI number. Okay, so I'm going to search this article using this DOI number. So going to PubMed, or you can directly search, no problem. If you have DOI number, or you have title, so I just entered the DOI number to PubMed and I got the article. So always there is an option in the corner, or you can search it like wherever the article is, uh, they will give the option to cite the paper. So like here, they have given the option to cite the paper. So click on that and you can download the NVIB file. Okay, so your file will be downloaded. So what you need to do is simply open that file. Okay, so but make sure that you have already opened the library you created previously. Okay, so after downloading the citation, you click on the citation, and your reference reference will be imported to that library you created. Okay, now now you have created your library, and the same I'm going to do for second reference. Here I have copied the DOI number, and then here is the second article. So I'm downloading citation for this also. So here I go, downloaded, and just simply I opened that file like this one, and the second reference is imported to the library. Okay, so I have total two references now. So I'm going to add in these references in Word file. So go to your Word file. Okay, click on wherever you want to add the citation, and what you need to remember the name, because this was our first article. Okay, so go to your Word file, and then there will be an option in your ribbon, just EndNote. Click on EndNote and go to insert citation, and one dialog will be open. Okay, then you just search like mono, the title was monoclonal antibody. You can search by author name also. Like so many articles are there on the monoclonal antibody. So I need to go specific. What is the title? Okay, I can copy the title. Copy, and then I can paste it. Okay, so I got this. Actually, I downloaded that citation 3 times. That's why it is saying, yeah, 3 times. So just click on insert, and your citation will be inserted. Okay, here they have inserted the abstract also, but you can change it. Like go to style, and if you like to add as author and date, click on that, it will be changed. Like here also, at the end of your document the references will be added, and if you want your reference to be added as numbered, so you can click on number, and your references will be added as number. Okay, and later on you can remove your added comment. This is to make the easy, like you can remember the content, like where from where you have taken. Okay, you can delete it, and then I'm going to add for second one. Okay, I already searched it, but I need to see what was the title for that one. Okay, this was the title. Copy it, and then go to your Word file. Go to go to the place where you want to add the, where you want to insert the citation. Okay, insert. Go to insert citation and search with that title. Okay, here it is, the first one. Okay, so you just, okay, I'm just checking it again. Yeah, the first one. No, yeah, it's the second one. You can click on insert. I have selected the style as numbered, so in this manner your references will be added at the end of the document, and you can change the style also. So just go to style and you can select whatever style you like to add. Okay, and then you can delete this one. It's just simple, edit. Thank you.